Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how I fill in my eyebrows. It's a really highly requested video, so it's really easy. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, then keep on watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys, love you. I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows in this video. It's very simple, like probably one of the simplest eyebrow tutorials I guess on YouTube. It's so basic. But I've had a lot of requests on how I do my eyebrows or like how I fill them in and stuff. So I thought I would show you guys. So this is the product I use. It looks like this. It's from Essence. This is like halfway done now. So the color has been like sharpened off. But I believe it's 01 Blonde. I think they only have like 3 colors, at least in my shoppers that sells this. They only have like 3 colors and it's like the lightest one. So yeah, this is like I did a video on this and it is a duplicate for MAC's Lingering eyeshadow pencil. So I will link that video right here if you want to see the comparison between the two. And this runs for like $2 or something. So yeah, these are my eyebrows, not filled in. Let's zoom in. Oop. Okay. So yeah, those are my eyebrows not filled in. They still have like the shape I like, but they're a little bit sparse in certain areas where I wouldn't want them to be. And I like to make them a little teeny tiny bit thicker as well. I also like to make the tail a little bit longer because I feel like it's a little bit too short for me. So that's all I really do. So I will show you guys. I first start off with the tail. At the very like top where they meet. I'll start there and I just do brush strokes down and elongate it a little bit. Like that. And then I'll start right here and I draw a line basically from here to here. Like that. And then these hairs, I don't know if you can see, but they go down opposed to sideways or up. So these ones, I draw the hairs the same way that they grow in. Like that. And this is basically what I do for the whole hair. So you follow the direction of the hair growth. And then when I get to here, I basically draw a line from here to here. Go down again. Like that, and then I fill this in. Like that. Sometimes I need to add a little bit darker. So I'll zoom out and show you guys the difference between my two eyebrows. You see how these ones look just so much fuller and like a nicer shape, I guess. And these ones are just looking sparse. So, like it does do a difference for your face. This one like frames my face more. This one kind of just gets lost a little bit. So yeah, these are my eyebrows, how I fill them in and stuff like that. I don't do like the most natural method, I guess. Because they do look kind of drawn on, but that's just what I personally like. But I don't even have to draw them in that much. I just make them a little bit darker, a little bit more prominent. Yeah, I don't set them with anything. I don't brush them out with like these comb things or anything like that. I literally just put them on. It's the easiest for me. It's worked for me for years now. So yeah, I just absolutely love this product and I love my eyebrows and so yeah, I wanted to show you guys how I did them because I got a lot of questions. So I told you it was really easy and that's just how I do them. So thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.